What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will be sharing with you exactly how you can transfer money to any of the Caribbean islands instantly within seconds. You heard that correctly, instantly, directly to your bank account. And guess what? Using this method is cheaper than Western Union and it's cheaper than MoneyGram. And you don't have to provide any form of identification when you're sending the money or when your recipient is collecting the money. Well, your recipient won't be collecting unless you choose that option for cash pickup, because you're going to be choosing the option that sends money directly to their bank account. So to achieve this, we're going to be using Remitly money transfer, which is a money transfer services that allows you to send money almost to any country around the world from any of the major countries like the United States, UK, Canada, Australia, so on and so forth, right? So to get started, you just need to create an account. You're just going to need to provide your first name and your last name. That's all you need. You're going to really need to send the money, really, right? So you can click the link in the description below. It will take you to the Remitly website. Now once you're on Remitly website, all you need to do is select join and provide the country that you're going to send money to, your email address and your password. And on the top right hand side here, you're going to select the country which you're sending from. Most likely this will be selected by default, so you won't even realize, because once you select this country you won't be able to change it again. So that is one disadvantage with Remitly money transfer. Apart from that, very straightforward and simple. So I'm going to sign into my account now. So here you can see I have two recipients already, which is me. One says Visa and then one says my bank account. So in order to send the money instantly, you're going to be sending the money directly to a Visa card, right? So trust me, this is going to be within seconds. So in your case, you're going to select add new recipient, specify the amount that you want to send. So for example, I'm going to say $10, and then you can choose Express or Economy. To have the money sent instantly, choose Express. And then here you have the delivery method of a bank deposit. If you select bank deposit, you'll see the list of banks that you can send the money to. If you select cash pickup, then you'll see the list of locations where you can do the cash pickup. When you select debit card, right, then you'll provide a debit card that you're going to send the money to, and this is the option that allows you to send the money instantly. So you're going to provide the card number, the first and last name, a mobile phone number, the recipient address, right, and then select continue. So I'm going to start over and select my Visa card, which will pre-populate the information. So I'm going to select this option and continue. So as you can see, the recipient will pay no fees and the total transfer cost will be $4.99, and the expected time the money will be available is 2 p.m. EST. However, I've recorded this video like 2 times without any audio, so I'm just going to switch over to that footage where I was able to send the money, right, and then show you the rest of the steps, because I don't want to send any more money now, right? And for the payment details, it will ask if you want to pay from a credit card, debit card, or a bank account, whichever option works for you. Debit card works fine, but credit card works fine. So all you need to do is just select send money, and then the money will be on its way. Now let me head over to the other footage to show you how fast the money will be in your account. Once you select send, the money should be on its way. However, in this case I had a duplicate transaction, so it's saying duplicate detected, so I'm going to send anyway. Now here I'm just going to view the receipt of the transaction. So the time the money was sent was 8:32 a.m. Now let's log into my bank account and view when the money was deposited. So the amount was $1,117.80, and if you look carefully, the time was 8:32 a.m. So let's go back on the receipt and confirm that 8:32 a.m. So guys, as you can see, I'm really excited about this. This is really instant. Within a second, the money will be in your bank account. Now I want to look at the sending limit so you are aware of your restrictions and the amount of money you can send, like within a day and within a week. So in tier 1, the first tier is that you can send about $1,000 within 24 hours without your account being verified, and for 7 days it's $299, 30 days it's $10,000, and for 180 days it's $18,000. And if you move over to tier 2, you'll see that these limits increase. However, for each tier the amount gets higher and you need to provide a level of identification. So guys, I'm asking you for a small favor. Hit the subscribe button and just share this video with somebody who you know transfer money overseas. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. See you in the next video. When you sign up with my referral link in the description below, you'll get $20 off your first $100 transaction. So when you send $100, right? If you're going to send $100 after that, then you will get $20 free, or $20 that you can just really send to your account at any point in time you need. So again guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.